Most people get this wrong. They assume Peak Pay Advance is just another high-fee payday app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it offers fast, reliable, and clear access to short-term cash with helpful tools to manage repayments. Here's how it works. Peak Pay Advance allows users to request a small cash advance on earned wages or paychecks. Funds are often available in just a few hours, making it ideal for urgent expenses like medical emergencies, car repairs, or last-minute bills. The app displays repayment schedules clearly, so there's no guesswork about what you owe or when. PeakPay also provides a dashboard to track repayment progress and upcoming obligations. Users can even see spending trends, helping prevent late fees and better manage finances. The downside? Using it frequently for non-essential spending can lead to higher fees. The key is responsible usage, only for urgent or planned short-term needs. Tips for responsible use. 1. Borrow only what you can repay on time. 2. Follow repayment schedules and set reminders. 3. Monitor spending with the app's tracking tools. Who benefits most? People with steady income who need occasional quick cash. Those prone to overspending may face extra costs. In conclusion, Peak Pay Advance in 2026 is fast, practical, and reliable, but only when used wisely. Treat it as an emergency tool, track repayments carefully, and plan spending. Subscribe for more honest app reviews and practical financial tips.